Good afternoon, my name's Ted Walzak. I am the transportation planner for the Ho-Chunk Nation Transportation Authority. The FHR allows us to place material faster than we would in our old application with less staff, and it mounted on equipment that we had already. You back into it, you set your chute for the width you want, it strikes it off, and you're good to go. Just the design of the offset roller makes it inherently safer to operate. It allows you to run your equipment on the paved surface, so you're not sitting at a precarious angle. It helps stay more accurate with the down pressure, and it makes a nice finished product. I would expect the Road Widener and the offset compactor to cut our production time in half.